So today we're going to be trying Starbucks Peppermint Mocha. To really get those Christmassy feelings or taste flowing.
I can smell it.
I can too.
smell
It
the
smells
peppermint
super peppermint.
and chocolate.
It smells kind of like Starbucks actual peppermint mocha from their thing.
Oh, really?
Deliciously crafted for the season. Rich, like, rich chocolatey notes meet minty joy in this heartwarming treat. Together, our lightest roast and winter's celebrated flavors create a festive favorite with just the right amount of cocoa peppermint sweetness.
All right.
It's a little bit hard to see because it's like pink and red on red. So there we go.
Yes.
Sweet
Can you show
cocoa and
them the front
peppermint
of the
notes.
box?
Yep.
All right.
So it's a light roast, they say.
Yes, it is definitely a light roast. I just tried it.
Yeah.
It's good, but it's definitely
A little light.
It's light. It's definitely light.
You know me, I like my darker roast. But I guess to get the flavor to come through, they almost have to. Oh yeah, that's light.
I don't know if I'm a fan of this one.
I like the smell, but honestly, I feel like if they made it a darker roast, you would get more of that mocha dark chocolatey vibe with the peppermint, and they would have done a better job.
Right. I don't know. The
Medium roast, I think, would have worked better, in my personal opinion.
it just tastes like minty water almost.
Yeah.
I'm not getting really the cocoa, are you?
No, if somebody told me this is chocolate peppermint tea, I'd be like, yep.
Or just peppermint tea?
Yeah.
I'm getting peppermint water.
I'm getting a little bit of a chocolate to it. Like a chocolate peppermint, but like water. I wouldn't know it was coffee.
The smell is definitely peppermint smell. But because they went with a light roast, and I even made it with less water to see if it would bring more of the flavor, but I'm just not getting that. No, I thought maybe with your milk you would get more flavor. No?
Want to try mine? It's very... There's not much going on there.
That's even worse than what mine is, black.
It's a little watered down. I mean, I guess, and it's funny, only in those little description does it say lightest.
Well, maybe if you added
Nowhere else
sugar,
does it warn
you don't put sugar in your coffee. Maybe if you added sugar, it would bring out the flavor. Or maybe if you added some cocoa in there, it might bring out the flavor. A little bit more coffee, it might bring out the flavor. But no,
I mean, it's not gross, but it's not good.
No, I'm just not. I'm not getting anything other than kind of a strong peppermint water almost.
Yeah, I drink a lot of peppermint tea, and honestly, to me, this tastes like my peppermint tea with a bit of chocolate, maybe.
Yes, I don't recommend this one.
No, it does not taste like coffee to me at all.
It sounds good.
And I feel like if they went with a darker roast, it would really make it shine.
That's true.
Then it would bring out more of the rich chocolatey with the peppermint.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
Yeah, that's my opinion.
Maybe as an espresso. Maybe next time we try it as an espresso, maybe. Like, just use like 4 ounces of water.
Oh, that might make it better.
I don't know. Yeah, because there's nothing but peppermint.
It's pretty bad.
I don't taste anything else. I don't even get the hint of cocoa.
No, it's falls pretty short.
Right. When I first looked at it, I thought it was cocoa with peppermint notes. And then when we read it more, it's coffee with sweet cocoa and peppermint notes. And I'm just not getting the sweet cocoa. I'm just not.
Yeah, this would be terrible as a cocoa, too. It could pass for a tea.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
That's
very, very thin.
Yeah.
So
I would not recommend.
No, I don't recommend.
You can find a much better holiday coffee.
I agree. Yep. Nope. Pass on that one.
Yeah. From Starbucks, you expect a lot from.
Right. And that's a thing, maybe. So remember to like
and follow or subscribe.
There you go. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.